Let's start with wavy curve method. So before starting wavy curve, let's do certain very small inequalities. All right. So like we have a question, 2x minus 3 is greater than x plus 7. Solve for x. Got it? So what do? X is greater than 7 plus 3, that is x is more than 10. Now this is written as x belongs to 10 to infinite. These brackets are called open bracket or round bracket and 10 to infinite. Got it? Now if I take a question, so the question is like x minus 1, x plus 3 less than 0. So this is what? Product of two numbers less than 0. Got it? This is what? Product of two numbers less than 0. Now, how is that possible? Now, there will be two cases. X minus 1 greater than 0 and x plus 3 less than 0. Or x minus 1 less than 0 and x plus 3 greater than 0. Am I clear? So, that means x more than 1 and x less than minus 3. If you see, there is no number which is greater than 1 as well as less than minus 3. Am I clear? If you make it on the number line, it is minus 3, it is 1. So greater than 1 and less than minus 3. There is no numbers exist. Got it? Here if I see x is less than 1 and x is more than minus 3. Now if you make a number line, minus 3, 1. This is saying x is less than 1. Other one is saying x is more than minus 3. So this is your answer. Your x belongs to minus 3 to 1. Got it? Now what do we take? We take union of both the cases. So you get x belongs to minus 3 to 1. But see it once. But you realize if their number of factors increase, like if I take x minus 1, x plus 3, x plus 2 less than 0. So if the number of factors increase, there will be more cases. So more number of factors will be giving you more number of cases, and after some time it will be really difficult to handle all the cases simultaneously. Am I correct? So it will be very difficult to handle all the cases simultaneously. So in such case, what do? We use wavy curve method. Now, what is wavy curve method? Like in the previous question, I have x minus 1, x plus 3 less than 0. You make a number line, mark all the zeros, minus 3 and 1. And start a wave from this side, like this. So it is plus, minus, plus. What you are looking for? Less than 0 region. Less than 0 region is this one. So your x belongs to minus 3 to 1. Got it? Minus 3 to 1. Now, if there are more number of factors, we will put them on the number line and then make the wheel. But there are certain precautionary measures which we need to take while applying this wavy curve method. Now, what are those measures? See, before applying wavy curve method, first condition, all the factors should be in the form of x minus a, not a minus x. See, if they are in the form of a minus x also, we can manage with that. But there's no requirement for that. Getting my point? We will do it with a minus x minus a only. Why to do different things? So x minus a, not a minus x. Now, what to do if a factor is in the form of a minus x? If any factor is in the form of a minus x, then make it x minus a by multiplying with a negative sign. Got it? And when we multiply an inequality with a negative sign, change the sign of inequality. Change the sign of inequality. Let us assume you have a like x minus 2, x plus 2 upon 5 minus x less than 0. Let us say we have this. Got it? So this is not in the right format we are looking for. So what do? We take minus common. So it will become x minus 2, x plus 2 upon x minus 5, a minus sign came and less than 0. Got it? Now multiply with a negative number or negative sign. So it will become what? X minus 2, x plus 2 upon x minus 5. And if you multiply with the negative sign, sign of inequality will also change. So less than 0 will become greater than 0. Now you make the number line. Mark the zeros in their increasing order, minus 2, 2 and 5, and start the wave. This is how it is. Plus, minus, plus, minus. You are looking for the region where it is greater than 0. See, it is greater than 0. So finally your x belongs to minus 2 to 2 union 5 to infinity. Am I clear? So it is minus 2 to 2 union 5 to infinite. Done. Now next way. In an inequality, avoid taking perfect square both sides. Got it? Another rule, while solving inequality using wavy curve method. While solving inequality using wavy curve method, one side should be properly factorized and other side should be 0. Am I clear? So one side of the inequality should be properly factorized and other side should be 0. Like if I have a question x minus 2 upon 2x plus 3 say less than 5. You want to solve it. Say less than equal to 5. Now right side is 5. Got it? Achha, okay, one more rule. Do not cross multiply. Why? Because we do not know if the denominator is positive or negative. So if we are not aware of the denominator, if it is positive or negative, do not cross multiply. All right. So now take 5 to the left side. So it is x minus 2, 2x plus 3 minus 5 less than equals to 0. Now take LCM, 2x plus 3, x plus 2 minus 10x minus 15 less than equals to 0. So this implies minus 9x minus 13 upon 2x plus 3 less than equals to 0. Got it? Now multiply with a negative sign. It becomes 9x plus 13. 2x plus 3 greater than will become less than will become greater than equal to 0 because we multiplied with a negative number. Now make the number line. Mark both of them on the number line. So it will be minus 13 upon 9. It will be minus 3 by 2. Got it? Make the wave plus minus plus. You are looking for region where inequality is more than 0. So your x belongs to minus infinite to minus 3 by 2 union. Now we will include the root of the numerator because there is equality in the question. Minus 13 upon 9 to infinite. See this ones. Got it? One final and last rule. Factors with even powers factors with even powers can be ruled out. Factors with even powers can be ruled out, but we need to take care if their zero should be included or excluded from the final answer. Got it? Just a moment. Well, now only questions are left for practice. Okay, so let's start one by one. I have mentioned all the rules which were required here. See, question number 1. 2 minus x, 3 plus x upon x plus 5 less than equal to 0. Give it a try. Give it a try, then we'll discuss. See, first of all, this 2 minus x we cannot tolerate. So make it x minus 2. So with the negative sign common, it is x minus 2, x plus 3 upon x plus 5 less than equal to 0. Now multiply this inequality with the negative sign. So you get x minus 2, x plus 3 upon x plus 5, and we change the sign of inequality. Yes or no? Now make the number line. Mention all the roots in their increasing order. Minus 5, minus 3, and then 2, and then make the wave. So plus, minus, plus, minus. What we are looking for? We are looking for positive region. So your x belongs to minus 5 to minus 3 inclusive. Minus 5 excluding, but minus 3 including. Because equality is there. So minus 3 also is satisfying the inequality. Union inclusive of 2 to infinite. Got it? Now, let's take another question. X square plus x plus 1 upon x square minus 4x plus 3 less than or equals to 1. Try it once. I told you one side should be 0, and now here it is not 0. Take this 1 to the left hand side and then take LCM. Now see, first of all, take this 1 to the left side. So x square plus x plus 1 upon x square minus 4x plus 3 minus 1 less than or equal to 0. Now we take LCM. So it became x square plus x plus 1 minus of x square minus 4x plus 3 less than or equal to 0. So it is x square minus 4x plus 3. In the numerator, it will be 5x minus 2 less than or equal to 0. Now right side is 0. Left side is still not properly factorized. So I will factorize it. So 5x minus 2 upon x minus 3 x minus 1 less than or equal to 0. Now left side is properly factorized. Mark all the zeros on the number line. So numerator 2 by 5, denominator 1 and 3. And then we make the wave. So plus, minus, plus, minus. Got it? So your x belongs to minus infinite to 2 by 5. Inclusive of 2 by 5. Union excluding 1, 2, 3. Why did I exclude 1 and 3? Because they are the zeros of the denominator. All right. They are the zeros of the denominator. Now let's take another example. X minus 1, x minus 2 square, x minus 3 cube, x minus 4 to the power 4, x minus 5 to the power 5 upon x minus 6 to the power 6, x minus 7 to the power 7, x minus 8 to the power 8, x square plus 1 more than or equal to 0. Got it? I will cover so many things in this single example. Now, one rule I told you, factors with even powers can be ruled out because they are not going to make any change to the inequality. They are always positive. So, what do? I reject this one. Also reject this one. Also reject this one. Also reject this one. But sidewise, make a note that x equals to 2 and 4 will be the part of final answer because they are the zeros of the numerator and equality is there. And x should not be 6 and 8 because they are the zeros of the denominator. They will never be included. Got it? Now the question remains with me. X minus 1, x minus 3. X minus 3 power 3. Writing power 3 does not make any sense. X minus 3 is sufficient because whenever x minus 3 is positive, its power 3 is positive. Whenever x minus 3 is negative, its power 3 is negative. So writing x minus 3 is sufficient. Then x minus 5 upon x minus 7. Now if you see, this is also always positive. X square plus 1. It does not have any real root and always positive. So rule it out. It is more than or equal to 0. Am I clear? Now I made the number line. roots are 1, 3, 5, 7. Increasing order of roots, and then make the wave. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So I want more than 0. More than 0 means x belongs to minus infinite to 1 inclusive, because it is the root of the numerator. Union 3 to 5, again both inclusive. Union 7 to infinite. Now see, 2 should be a part of the final answer, which is not there, so you have to include it separately. 4 should also be a part of the final answer, which is already in 3 to 5. Got it? 6 and 8 should be excluded. 6 is already excluded. After 5, you are getting directly 7. But 8 is included in this interval. So we have to delete this 8. This is the answer. Have a look at it and try to observe. Got it? Now, whatever the question I will write, I will wait for 2-3 minutes for you guys to attempt it, and then I will discuss it. See, the question number 1 is x minus 1 upon x plus 1 less than or equals to x plus 1 upon x minus 1. Solve for x quickly. Cross multiplication you cannot do. Yes, quickly. I hope you have tried it. So solution will be x minus 1 upon x plus 1 minus x plus 1 upon x minus 1 less than or equal to 0. Now we can take LCM. So it will be x plus 1 into x minus 1. So it is x minus 1 square minus x plus 1 square less than or equals to 0. Got it? So it is x plus 1, x minus 1. Now numerator will be minus of 4x less than or equal to 0. Now minus 4x you have to like multiply with negative sign to make it positive. So it will become x upon x plus 1 into x minus 1 more than or equal to 0. Fair enough? Now I make the number line. Mark all the zeros in their increasing order. So minus 1, 0 and 1. And then make the wave. So positive you are looking for. So your x belongs to -1 to 0 inclusive. 0 inclusive because it is the root of that numerator. Union excluding 1 to infinite. I did not include 1 and -1 because they are the roots of the denominator. Am I clear? See once. Now, next question. X minus 1 square upon x plus 1 square less than or equals to 1. Try quickly. Now again, same thing. See, in a case, this particular case, you can do cross multiplication. Why we were avoiding cross multiplication? Because we were not sure about the denominator if it is positive or negative. But here, since denominator is a perfect square, so I know it is always positive. Yes or no? So in this particular case, you can do cross multiplication. And what do you get from this? That is x minus 1 whole square is less than or equals to x plus 1 whole square. That is x square minus 2x plus 1 less than or equals to x square plus 2x plus 1. 1x square cancel. So that means 2x plus 2x more than or equal to 0. So x is more than or equal to 0. So in that case, answer is x belongs to 0 to infinite. Okay. Now, one more simple thing. Say we have some quadratic expression ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c. If this a is positive and its d is negative. See, we all know in a quadratic, if d is negative, there is no real root. All right. So if a is positive, d negative, then this ax square plus bx plus c is always positive. Got it? And if this a is negative as well as d is negative, a negative as well as d negative, then this ax square plus bx plus c is always less than 0 for every x belongs to R. Got it? So for every x that is less than 0 or for every x that is more than 0. That now take an example like x square plus 3x plus 7. Its a is positive, its d is negative. So this will always be positive. If I have minus x square plus x minus 1, if you see, it's a negative, it's d negative. So this will be always negative for every x belongs to R. Got it? Now take an example like x square plus x plus 1 upon x square minus x plus 1 more than or equals to. Check it out. If you realized this denominator is always positive, isn't it? And since the denominator is always positive, do cross multiplication. So x square plus x plus 1 is more than or equal to x square minus x plus 1. 1 x square cancel. So 2x is more than or equal to 0, x is more than or equal to 0. This is your answer. Am I clear? Now see this example. Try it once. Quickly try. See, first of all, you rule out this x minus 4 whole square. But write in separate area that x equals to 4 will be the part of final answer because equality is there. So now the question you are left with x minus 3 upon x minus 5 more than or equal to 0. Make the number line. Zeros are 3, 5 and make the wave. Plus minus plus. Got it? So your answer will be positive you are looking for. So minus infinite to 3 including union excluding 5 to infinite. And now in this interval x equals to 4 is not counted. So with the union, I will count x equals to 4 separately. And this is your answer. Everybody who got the correct answer, type yes in the chat box. Everyone who got the correct answer, send yes in the chat box. Well, solve this one. X minus 1, x minus 2, 1 minus 2x more than or equal to 0. Now, first of all, this is not in x minus a form. So change it by multiplying with the negative sign. So x minus 1, x minus 2, 2x minus 1. Greater sign will convert to lesser sign. Now make the number line. Mention all the zeros. 1 by 2, 1 and 2. And then make the wave. So it is plus, minus, plus, minus. What you are looking for? Less than 0. So your x belongs to minus infinite to 1 by 2, union 1 to 2. This is your answer. Not including any root because there is no equality in the problem. Got it? Try this one. We are asking for number of integral solutions. Means number of integers which are satisfying this inequality. Yes. Now see, x square plus 2 always positive, 4 always positive. So there is no harm in doing cross multiplication. So 4x plus 4 is more than x square plus 2. So x square minus 4x minus 2 less than 0. But now we are not having any fancy roots, I should say. So root we have to calculate manually. That is 4 plus minus under root of 16 plus 8 upon 2. So that is 2 plus minus root 6. So now it is x minus 2 minus root 6 and x minus 2 plus root 6 less than 0. Got it? Now make the number line. Roots are smaller one, 2 minus root 6, greater one, 2 plus root 6. And then make the wave. Plus, minus, plus. You are looking for negative region. So your x belongs to 2 minus root 6 to 2 plus root 6. This is your answer. All right. Well, that would be all for today. I think I have made everything clear. Now it's all about your practice. Got it? Before ending this class, I will be launching a poll about the feedback of the class. So